In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Salesforce ID for an account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what to copy, and a few practical tips to avoid common mistakes. Start on the Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. From here, look toward the upper left corner for the app launcher, the grid icon. Click it to open the app menu. If you don't immediately see what you need, use the search bar in the launcher to quickly locate the right place. Type Accounts, then select Accounts from the results to open the Accounts list view. You should now be on a list of account records, often starting with a recent list. Choose the account you want to inspect by clicking its name. This opens the account's detail page in a new Lightning Record view. If you accidentally land somewhere else or the page doesn't load fully, give it a second and click the account name again to ensure you're on the dedicated record page. With the account details open, move your attention to your browser's address bar at the very top. The Salesforce record URL is the key to finding the ID. In Lightning, the format will include Lightning, then R, then account, followed by a long string of letters and numbers, and finally, view. The account's unique Salesforce ID is that string sandwiched between account and view. Carefully select just that portion and copy it. That value is the official record ID for this account. A few notes to help you feel confident you've got the right thing. First, the ID typically appears as an 18-character string. In some contexts, you might encounter a 15-character version. Both refer to the same record. The 18-character format is simply case-insensitive and is safer to use in spreadsheets and integrations, so favor it when available. Second, ignore everything else in the URL. Only the block between account and view is relevant. And third, don't worry if your domain looks different from what you've seen elsewhere. The unique ID pattern stays the same across environments. Now, let's repeat the process for another account so you can see it in action again. Use your browser's back button to return to the accounts list. Choose a different account from the list by clicking its name to open the record page. Once it loads, go to the address bar again. Just like before, copy the exact string sitting between account and view. That's the second account's Salesforce ID. Paste it wherever you need it. Maybe a task description, a support ticket, a spreadsheet, or the notes section of your project tracker, so you can easily reference the record later. Here are a few quick tips to keep this smooth. If your accounts list is long, use the list view search box to filter by the account name you need. If your org has custom list views, make sure you're in the correct one, recent, all accounts, or a team-specific view, so you can find the right record faster. If the URL ever includes extra characters after view, ignore them. The record ID is only the part before a view begins. And if your browser's zoom or extensions make the address bar tricky to select, click once to highlight, then click again gently to place the cursor so you can select only the ID segment. That's all there is to it. Open the account from the Accounts app, grab the string between account and view in the URL, and you've got the Salesforce record ID. With this approach, you can quickly capture IDs for any accounts you're working with and keep your documentation, integrations, and cross-team handoffs clean and accurate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.